Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today I'm making this yummy masa pancake and I hope you will like it. As I always say, no long talk piao, a big two. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to soak my rice overnight. It's the next morning and my rice is soaked nicely, and I also have some chopped onion and cooked rice, and then I have yeast and granulated sugar, some natural yogurt and salt to taste. With the yogurt it will give you this sour taste in masa, and it's optional too. You can choose not to use the natural yogurt. Now I'm going to blend my soaked rice with the chopped onion and yogurt and half of the cooked rice together with a bit of water. I'm done blending it. I'm transferring it into this bowl. Now I'll add my cooked rice, the half of it, and then add my yeast and my sugar. I'll give it a stir to mix it very well. And with the cooked rice, you can choose to blend it all, or you can divide it, or just add it to the butter because it's cooked very well. So any way that you choose to add it, just do it like that. But I choose to divide it into two and then blend half and then add half to my butter. Now I'll cover it and then let it sit in a warm place or under the sun to rise and ferment. Now it's about 4 hours now and it has risen nicely. I'm going to add salt to taste and then some sliced onion. I love my masa with some sliced onion in it. This is optional too. So I'll give it a stir and then fry it. I already have my pan on heat. My pan is on medium to low heat. So when frying the masa in the frying pan, and when you are using a non-stick, you just need a little bit of oil, just like a half a teaspoon, and it will be okay. But if you add more than that, it can spoil your masa for you. And with the butter too, if you add your butter to your frying pan, wait a bit to see these tiny holes before you turn it. If not that, your masa will spoil. It will scatter in the pan and you don't want that. Yeah, so as you can see, the tiny holes. Yeah, now it's perfect time for me to turn it. Look at that. It looks very nice. And yeah, so that's it, really very easy and simple. If you don't have the masa pan, you can use this technique and you will love it. I tried it and I love it with the flavor, onion flavor and all that. It's just like Kanzo with swag. Do you know Kanzo with swag? Yeah, this is just like Kanzo with swag. Yeah, so I repeat it, and yeah, that's it really. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. And subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed so we keep popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.